Yo, what's up? It's me, DJ Peta, or fuck, that's my brother, sorry. It's me, DJ DIKKUD0WN, and today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to mix. So, if you're broke as fuck like me and you're forced to use BANDLAB, we're doing it for BANDLAB. So, I personally like to have for my leads the chorus ensemble. I keep it a little tamed down. It's pretty tough, and it sounds like this. So, once you get that down, I only like to pair it with a BL driver, just for some crunchiness. Let's hear what it sounds like with the beat drop. So that's basically what it sounds like with the beat drop. So I like to use the BL driver for that crunchiness and the D delay just to give it that satisfying little delay. Now for the drums, the bit crusher and the BL driver sound really good if you're doing like a pixely sound. Same thing with the delay. The auto pan, just for that sound that's revolving around your head. The chorus also for that. Trust me, this is on freaking fire, and it'll attract all the preschooler, all the people to hear music. So I normally keep my thing in a minor key for no reason, but I normally like to keep it there. I actually, oh fuck, it's just a G major. That's okay. But it'll still sound alright. And yeah, that's how you mix like me. Stay dicking people down.